Hi.
Did you know we're celebrating today?
We have some poppers.
We do. We hope they work. Well, today we're celebrating our summer birthdays,
Yep.
our 36th wedding anniversary,
Wow. my
retirement,
Oh no.
and our 100th video.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. And now we're going to clean this up. But today I'm making a crusty cream cheese pound cake. So if you remember the chocolate eclair cake, this recipe is from the same people. So I think you're going to enjoy that. We'll be right back.
After we clean this up.
After we clean this. Our ingredients for today are 6 eggs, coconut oil, avocado spray or nonstick cooking spray, vanilla extract. I'm using the King Arthur cake flour. I've got butter, sugar, and cream cheese. And that's all you need to make this delicious dessert. Our first step is we're going to cream the butter. But I wanted to show you the difference between two different butters I have here. This is by Vital Farms. It's unsalted. Now the recipe didn't even specify salted or unsalted, but I frequently buy unsalted, so that's what I grabbed. And if you want to add a pinch of salt, it'd probably be great to the recipe, but otherwise we thought it was fine. But I want you to notice the difference. Look at that butter compared to this butter. So if you want to step it up a little bit, I would go for something like this, 100% grass-fed butter. I do like Publix products, and I do use them plenty, but I want you to see the difference, if it's worth it. And I know it is more expensive, but I think the results will be worth it. Okay, so we're going to butter these. Excuse me, we're going to cream these. So that's going to take a few minutes. Okay, we're going to do that on medium speed. We're also going to be adding coconut oil. Now you can use shortening, but I preferred the coconut oil. Just because I don't usually use shortening very much. Okay. And I'll just keep adding this. This is 3 cups of sugar. So it's definitely getting softer. So maybe you can hear there's still grittiness, but we haven't added all of our ingredients yet. Now I'm going to add the cream cheese. I think that'll be easier. And we're going to cream it again. There we go, that ought to work better. There we go. Just use my hands. Sometimes that just works best. So if this is your first time, this might be a good one to start with. Okay, so next I'm going to show the difference in the eggs, okay? But I do want to show you, we do need to sift the flour. Now, you could just use a whisk. That would be fine, but I wanted you to see this. I've had something like this for years, so this is actually a sifter. So, it's fun. So this will get In case you have any of those little pieces that are too big.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her?
Our last ingredient is going to be vanilla extract. Okay, we're just going to stir this in. Okay, take this off. I'm going to bang it on the side. Okay. Adding the vanilla extract. And we're going to stir. Now the family I got this recipe from, I was sent a picture and it was of a recipe card that looks like it was well loved. I have a feeling it was a favorite family recipe. I almost couldn't read it because it was faded, but those are usually the best recipes. Okay. Okay, here's my Bundt pan. I'm going to spray it on the bottom and the sides, just for extra protection. I'm going to put a little bit of the cake flour, the King Arthur cake powder, not cake powder, cake flour.
Where are they from?
Vermont. And I didn't know they were 100% employee. Now I'm going to take a different kind of spoon. Then it's going to go into the oven. Now the recipe card had said an hour and 15 minutes. Mine took about an hour and 40 minutes. But you have to keep testing it. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Nice. Nice. Using my offset spatula to just finish the top of it. We want that to really look good because that's the part that'll be seen. Okay. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. Have to be very careful. Okay. Okay. 90 minutes. Okay. Okay. So a toothpick won't be big enough. You need a skewer to be able to test it. We want it to come out clean, and I'd go all the way down. There's barely anything on there. Okay. So it says to cool for 10 minutes just like this, and then it's going to cool another 10 minutes on a wire rack. And we'll be back. All right, now it's time to try Crusty cream cheese pound cake. And I've given you a strawberry. I think it would be really good with, you know, strawberries or any kind of fresh fruit with sugar as like a sauce.
Oh, it does have a crusty edge, which is really nice.
And I like that it doesn't have any icing.
Light. Mmm.
Very nice.
Wow.
I like it.
Moist, tender cake in the center.
Right. I like that.
I like this crusty edge.
I do too.
This is good, Bridgetta.
It's good. Doesn't have a lot of ingredients. I think it's pretty easy to make, you know.
It seemed to be.
Yeah, and it does take a while in the oven. That's the longest part. But that's, you know, you don't have to do anything while it's in the oven.
Hey, congratulations on the 1,000th episode.
No, the 100th episode.
100th.
Not yet. Coming soon, though, right? So I like this. Now, if you think you're interested in this, definitely check out the chocolate eclair cake. We're going to link that, you know, at the end of this episode.
Okay, let's do that again.
Okay.
Hey, congratulations on the 100th. Hey, congratulations on the 100th episode.
All right. Woo! It's hard to do. Mark does work full time, so
Good job, Bridgetta.
thank you. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. So if you're interested in this one, I'd definitely make it, but also check out the chocolate eclair cake. It's from the same family, and that one was awesome. I know some people have already made it. A lot of people have watched the video, so it's definitely worth checking out.
Go make yourself a pound cake.
Yeah, what are you waiting for? Eat good food. So we hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Very good.
Yeah, strawberry sauce. Drizzle over this.
Beautiful.
Goes really well with the pancake.